Ever spill something and immediately realize this isn't a one-tool job? You vacuum the cereal, then grab a mop for the milk, then go back again because something still feels sticky. This here is the Xlean TR1 and the world's first dual-form cleaning robot. The Xlean TR1 is now live on Kickstarter, and it's already changing how we think about automation. With one motion, it switches into handheld mode in 1 second. The handle locks securely, and built-in powered assistance helps you guide it smoothly across the floor with less effort. So instead of switching tools, you clean immediately. What makes this possible is how it learns from you actually. Through reinforcement learning, it actually studies how you handle corners in handheld modes and applies that logic when it's running autonomously, like I'm doing here around this chair and along the couch area. And I gotta say, now that I've been testing it out a little bit here, it's really quite impressive. But let's get into more of the details. The TR1 here isn't just cleaning blindly. It uses reinforcement learning to capture your cleaning habits. That means it's thinking more like you do, learning to avoid your favorite gear and reducing the need for rescue missions. The more you use handheld mode, the more TR1 learns to clean like you do. This is why the dual form is so genius in design. While you're navigating complex layouts in handheld mode, TR1 is learning in real time from your intent, your movement, your paths, and how you deal with different messes, and then applying that behavior back in robot mode. It performs with the same precision as if you were doing it yourself. Now that is pretty future. The hardware powering all of this is genuinely flagship tier. 360-degree LiDAR captures over 5,000 points per second for precise mapping and navigation. An RGBD camera with 44,640 3D sensing points handles real-time obstacle recognition, and the whole system runs on an autonomous driving grade AI chip, the kind of hardware you normally only find in products that cost far more. This self-evolving system means you're not just buying a tool, but an intelligent steward that grows with you. That long-term value is the core of the TR1. Once the urgent mess is handled, robot mode takes over, and this is where dirt hunting mode comes in. Unlike traditional robots that blindly sweep the entire room on a fixed path, one autonomously scans the floor, identifying where the dirt actually is, and navigates directly to it, like a hunter in the dark, precise, targeted, no wasted paths or energy for that matter. It's built for people who are busy, have high daily cleaning demands, and don't want to wait for a robot to slowly loop the whole room just to hit a couple of messes. And when it finds a mess, it doesn't just clean it the same way every time. TR1's real-time, precise AI adaptive cleaning reads the dirt level on the spot. Deep clean for tough stains, quick clean for light dust. It's really quite logical. It's not wasting time scrubbing a clean spot, and it's not under cleaning where it actually matters. Xlean's measurements show up to 50% faster cleaning with the same or even better results. Xlean TR1 is actually the world's first only cleaning robot that efficiently handles large spills, mixed wet and dry messes, and even those stubborn stains in a single pass. This is powered by two breakthrough technologies: dual motor direct suction and vortex matrix separation, delivering 17,000 pascals of suction engineered specifically for wet and dry messes. Dual 10.23-inch rollers rotate at 400 RPMs each. That's 800 scrubbing passes per minute. Each roller has 16 water nozzles, 32 total, dispensing fresh water evenly across the entire cleaning path, actively washing the floor in real time while collecting dirty water into a separate tank. No smearing, no secondary contamination, no second passes required with the TR1. When the job is done, TR1 finds its way back, docking automatically and locking in with precision. The Omni Station takes over from here. It automatically flushes the roller with 167-degree hot water, not warm water, hot water, breaking down stubborn grime and eliminating bacteria. Then 149-degree hot air drying keeps the rollers completely fresh and mold-free. The whole self-cleaning cycle takes as little as 7 minutes. For a deeper clean, TR1 can also wash and dry the base station, dirty water tank, and rollers with high temperature cleaning in about an hour. The station also separates solid and liquid waste automatically, something I've never seen before. Solids go into the dry waste bin while liquids collect in the dirty water tank. You're not handling mixed waste manually, and it's bagless. No dust bags required. There's also an optional auto water management feature. The Omni Station can connect directly to your home's water line to refill clean water and drain dirty water automatically. Truly hands off. You've left the room, TR1 handles the rest. Living room, kitchen, studio, TR1 keeps going. No interruptions, no resets, just continuous coverage across every space you care about. Flexible enough for any routine, powerful enough for any mess, and smart enough to take care of itself. This is what a true cleaning agent looks like. And after testing and experiencing it here today, I am a true believer. The Xlean TR1 is live on Kickstarter right now. The super early bird price is $999. That's $700 off the future retail price of $1699. And it's first come, first serve. So hurry up and click the link in the description because the campaign ends on June 22nd. But one of the most interesting parts of this system is where it's heading next, with agent-level intelligence. The idea here is that TR1 won't just react to messes, it'll eventually understand cleaning patterns, routines, and environments more proactively over time. That feature is currently marked as coming soon, and Xlean says it'll be delivered through a future OTA update. And on a real personal note here, experiencing the TR1 and Xlean's Omni Station, it's made me really excited about the future of robotic cleaners because they're moving more towards true hands-off overall with the system that they've set up here, and not just a system of mapping out your house, but a system that learns you, your cleaning habits, your likes, your dislikes, and how you clean. That is going to be something that will please a lot of homeowners across the United States because it's truly been one of my complaints. It's not cleaning like I clean. Well, we might actually be there now.